with me, your host, Justine. Today I am making chicken and potatoes on the grill, herb chicken. It is so good, it is so easy. The prep is what's going to take you. Then you put it on the grill, leave it for about an hour and 15 minutes, and you've got wonderful chicken. First, I'm going to start with onions. I've cut them in half, and then I just kind of dice it pie slice. I don't know if you can see this right here. So I just get this done, and you see I've got potatoes over here. I have potatoes in a pan. This is the pan I'm going to use. This. I'm going to add my onions. It will be mounded up because it will cook down. I'm going to add canola oil. Probably a quarter cup. I'm going to add some salt. And you got to salt these little suckers. Then you just mix them. You get the oil all through there. And you'll see when I take it out to the grill what I'm going to do. It will be a little wobbly. This is my first time outside I have done any type of video. So here we go. That's it. That's it for the potatoes. Now I'm going to get the mix for my chickens. It's ghee, which is clarified butter. And you get it in a jar. And I'm going to use half of this jar because I'm going to slather it, and it's very smooth. I'm going to slather it all over the chicken, and the reason I'm using ghee is because the milk solids are taken out, and the reason for that is because those are the things that burn. So you don't have to worry about this burning. Even on the jar it says after you open, you do not have to refrigerate. So I am just going to add my herbs in here. I'm going to add some garlic powder. And this is not an exact science. If you don't want garlic powder, you don't have to add garlic powder. Now I'm going to add onion powder. And the reason I'm doing the powder versus the garlic is because I leave it in there, and the garlic, if I use fresh garlic, it would burn. Now I'm going to use about a teaspoon of celery seed. And I'm going to use some seasoning salt. That's my salt. Then oregano leaves. I am not patient enough to use the sprinkle thing. And today I thought I would use chipotle, a little bit, about a teaspoon, and some smoked paprika, which I really like. Haha. I'm glad they have those like guards on there so you know if anybody's messed with your herbs, but your seasonings, but I always have a hard time. All right, there we go. And then all I do is mix it up. This is what the ghee looks like. See how easy it's going to be to spread the chicken? All right, so you just take you can take a knife, but I like scissors. Haha. And then there's something right here, a little bone. You kind of got to get in there and get it. There you go. And then I'll flip it around and do the other side. You just cut the spine out. And you can take a butcher knife and do this. That's fine. There we go. And I'm going to turn it around. It's not really hard. See that bone right there? Cut around that. There we go. And that's the thigh. There you go. There you are. That is a spatchcock chicken. You go through, I like to turn it around so you can see, and you kind of break the breast so it'll lay flat. There. I can break that one easier than this one. All right. Sometimes just go in and snip. There you go. And then it'll lay flat. And it'll get the grill. You're gonna put it on the grill upside down. Then you just get the ghee on top, spread it, get it everywhere. Get it underneath. You want this butter mixture compound everywhere. Oops. Then you're gonna put it underneath. Right there, right there. You're just getting it, you're slathering it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And I'm gonna tell you, I have been doing chickens, but then I saw on TV, so how to do it on layers. Now I do breadcrumbs, and I'll put the chicken on a rack in the oven and put breadcrumbs underneath and let the drippings fall on the breadcrumbs, but I never thought to do it about my potatoes until I saw it on TV. So this isn't my idea, the recipe is mine, but it's not my idea to do it this way. And then I'll show you. It is so wonderful. There we go, get it all in. And then what's gonna happen, the chicken juice and the chicken juice and the, all this butter, the ghee, is going to turn around and fall on the potatoes. All right, here is my grill, my Vision grill. It's like a Kamado, I'm not sure how they pronounce it, but it is wonderful. I absolutely love it. But if you don't have one of these, you can do it on any grill. What I suggest is, instead of buying the charcoal briquettes, get the wood charcoal. And I have hickory wood charcoal in here, and you can use it on any grill. Anyway, that thing down there, that is what starts your wood chips. They're not chips, they're wood charcoal. So make sure to get that. And there is a name brand out there that is double the price just for the egg part, and it doesn't come with anything. No cover, no side tables, nothing. And this one came with side tables. It came with the stand. Of course, you got the egg, and you got a cover with it, and it was less than half the price. And when I was reading and doing research, it was much better to use the feedback that I got on YouTube was that they loved these better than the other one. The name that everybody recognizes, the big green egg. So this is, it does come with 2 layers. Let me see if I can show you. Well, first of all, it comes with a thermos or a temperature gauge, which I like, and it lets me know when it's ready to put the chicken on. And then you open these up. These are your vents, so it can be a smoker. The vent can be a smoker if you close it, and if you open it, and it'll tell you in the directions on how much to open it. And below, let me see, I don't know, can you see? There's little vents at the bottom, and it'll tell you, like, for beef do this, for chicken do this, if you want to grill do this, if you're smoking, close them. So I really like it. I bought it for Mark. We did, everybody in my family, and we all went together. And like I said, it's a Vision grill. I hope you know, dads are coming up. It's coming up on Father's Day. I hope you guys can get one of these. So we're just waiting for the temperature to go up to 300 to 350. My potatoes are on the grill. You can see I've already placed 1 chicken on there, and I'm going to place the other chicken on there. What's going to happen is all that fat is going to drip down from the heat and into the potatoes, and it's going to cook the potatoes, and they're going to be luscious. And I do 2 chickens and 6 pounds of red potatoes with 2 onions in there, so I can have it for the week, and it is delicious. So we'll be back when it's done. and I need to turn off the camera so I can do the other chicken on there. I don't know if you can see the chicken juices dropping on the potatoes. You want to make sure your chicken's at 165 and just put a thermometer in there. Look at that. I broke off its little leg with the top of the grill. Oh well. But, ooh, that is luscious. I'm going to pull it off. I'm going to put some corn on, and I'm going to let this rest for about 15 minutes, and then we will have roasted chicken. My mouth is watering just looking at it. Nummy, nummy. Oh, can you see over to the right? Let me see. That's the little electrical unit that you put down where I show you, and it does the coals. Now, I use hickory coals on this, so I get a little bit of a hickory flavor. And look at those coals below. Can you see? They last. That's been an hour, actually longer than an hour. And they're still lasting. They're big. My chicken is done. The skin, nice and crispy. I have a wing. It's going to be the juiciest chicken you have ever had. The flavor from those wood charcoal, the hickory, oh my goodness, so good. And look at this potato. Isn't that wonderful? Look at all the crispy, the bottoms get coated, and oh my gosh. Let me taste this too. Oh my goodness. You can taste the paprika and all the seasonings, and that it was in chicken fat and chicken drippings. These are the best potatoes you have ever tried. Now, if you don't have a grill like mine, don't fret. All you have to do, take 2 bricks on each side, put a cookie rack over top, put your chickens on the top and your potatoes on the bottom, and they are fabulous. Remember to make comments below, like my YouTube channel, share it with your friends. Let me know what you would like coming up next. For this recipe and more, go to www.justinthekitchen.com and go look up my recipes. I'm going to be putting out some summer recipes, some 4th of July recipes. Come check it out. But oh my goodness, is this so good. You can't go wrong. Happy Father's Day to everybody. God bless. Have a great day.